Okay, so next here we can see there are the fixed plate. The color is white, and this part is for protect our machine when we transport from our factory to a customer's warehouse. And we have four this fixed plate, and here is the first one. This is the second one, and from the other side we have another two, totally four pieces. And before we start our machine, we need to we need to remove this four plate. And next I want to show you is this part. Is our protection mesh. And you know when the machine running, the air will be blow up by the fan motor from the bottom to the top, and the wind will come in from this part and the size the protection mesh. And actually this part also has another function. It can protect the motor and the fan room, and prevent the impurities like slope or the empty bags goes in this part. If some bad impurities go inside, then the fan room maybe will broken and affect the normal work of this machine. And you can see here is the wheels. So it can also protect our workers and avoid injuries. And the last one I want to show you is the wheels. And we can see from here, this one universal wheels, and there has another one in the lower side. We can see here. So we have four wheels on the machine, and can make the machine movable. If customer want to processing the materials from the one warehouse to the another warehouse, then we can move it directly, and it's very easy. And this is all which I want to show you about our gravity table. And the next will my colleague Mr. Mel will show you our next machine, the magnetic separator. And we can see here. Okay.
这个是不是让工人站在这个平台啊？
那是放配电箱的话，也可以登上去观察上边了。对，就是你这样的地方。
Okay, hello everyone. 可以看一下我手机能不能听到那个。Hello everyone, see you guys again. Because as we know, in the whole processing plant, it's including the air screen cleaner, destoner, gravity separator. Also, there is another one important machine, magnetic separator. Also, it's very important for remove the clods. And now, let me to show you guys the details about the magnetic machines. Okay. The camera, you can follow me. This one is the feed-in box. There will be, in the whole processing plant, there will be one elevator to loading the material going to this box. Also, then the material going to here. And in these two sides, there are in the middle, there are stronger magnetic parts. It can remove the clods. And the irons, because in the material we don't want the iron inside. And then the material going to pass here. When pass here, there is a very stronger magnetic roller. Yes, we can check. This one, there are three. Also, in other side also are 3. This one is the observation window. We can check the details inside of the magnetic machine, and we can check here. There are two layouts. This one and this one. There are 2 layouts. There, this one, and for this one we can check because it will change the how to say that the clouds will be a layout discharged by this side, and we can check here. And this handle can adjust the material and the clouds. For this one, we are using in magnetic machine. We are using magnetic separator. We are using in the mark beans and Sesame for removing the clouds. And for the capacity, the magnetic separator, this capacity, it clean mark beans. It can reach 5 tons per hour. And also we can I want to show you guys this totally full machines. The first one, ice cream cleaner, double ice cream cleaner, and then the material going to the destoner, then the material going to the gravity separator, then it going to then the material can go to the magnetic machine. But for the customer side, most of us we are using like that way. The double ice cream cleaner and the magnetic second is the magnetic machine for removing the clothes, and the third is the destoner for removing the stones from the material, and the fourth is the gravity separator, as my colleague shared with us, can remove the bad seed, rotten seed, and the injured seed, and then those 4 machines can combine a simple cleaning plant, processing plant. It can reach the final purity. It can reach very high, like 99.5%. And you can check this. Also, this is our products warehouse, and we are ready. Are you ready to order?
Yes.
Okay, great. 完了。
关了。好的。闪一下闪。